Why? Every kitchen needs the best small rice cooker. In today's fast-paced world, having the best small rice cooker in your kitchen isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're living in a tiny apartment, dorm room, or simply want to save precious counter space, number 1. Ever seen a rice cooker do more than just rice? Meet the Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker. Small but mighty. Watch closely. This isn't your average kitchen gadget. Fuzzy logic? Yes, it thinks for you. Industry-leading 3D fuzzy logic technology inside. Perfect rice, every single time. No guesswork. But wait, it's not just for rice. 8 cooking functions. Imagine the possibilities. White rice, brown rice, mixed grain, quick rice, slow cook, porridge, sauté, steam, endless options. Feeling creative? Try oatmeal, quinoa, or even cake. Small size, big capacity, 3 cups uncooked, 6 cups cooked. Perfect for singles, couples, or small families. Compact design fits any kitchen counter, effortlessly. Let's talk intelligence. Moisture sensing for fluffy results. No more burnt or mushy rice, just perfection. Intuitive LED control panel. One-touch cooking made easy. Schedule meals with a 24-hour delay timer. Auto Keep Warm keeps food fresh for hours. Accessories included measuring cup, spatula, soup ladle. Cleaning is a breeze. Non-stick inner pot, removable steam vent. Safe cooking. Detachable power cord. Thermal fuse, lid lock. Automatic shutoff means worry-free operation. Compared to high-end models, it's budget-friendly. Japanese-style innovation without the premium price tag. Cook sushi rice, jasmine, basmati, wild rice, your way. From breakfast porridge to dinner stew, all in one. Transform your kitchen with creativity and convenience. Ready to upgrade your cooking game? Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker. Innovation in every grain. Click now to bring home smart, versatile cooking. Toshiba, where technology meets taste every day. Number 2. Struggling to cook perfect rice every time. Tired of constant monitoring and stirring? Busy schedule leaves little time for meal prep? Small kitchen space limits your cooking options? Cleaning up after cooking feels like a chore? Want more than just plain rice from your cooker? Wish for easy, delicious meals in minutes? Meet the Aroma Mini Rice Cooker, your new kitchen hero. Compact size fits perfectly in any small kitchen. One-touch operation makes cooking effortless and simple. No need to watch or stir, just set and forget. Automatically switches to keep warm mode after cooking. Consistent heat cooks rice, grains, oatmeal, and more. Prepare soups, chili, jambalaya, or even cake easily. Non-stick inner pot ensures food won't stick or burn. Dishwasher-safe pot and accessories make cleaning easy. Includes measuring cup and spatula for perfect portions. Free digital recipe booklet with 17 inspiring recipes. Expand your culinary creativity with simple instructions. Perfect for singles, students, and busy professionals. Ideal for small households or limited kitchen space. Enjoy restaurant-quality rice at home every time. Cook healthy grains, veggies, and one-pot meals fast. Save time and energy with efficient meal preparation. No more messy cleanups or complicated cooking steps. Stylish minimalist design complements any kitchen decor. Unlock versatile cooking with just one compact appliance. Register your product for exclusive recipe access. Upgrade your kitchen with the Aroma Mini Rice Cooker. Enjoy effortless meals, easy cleanup, and endless possibilities. Make home cooking simple, delicious, and stress-free today. Number 3. Tired of waiting forever for rice to cook? Small kitchens leave no room for bulky appliances. Busy schedules make meal prep feel impossible. Cooking just for yourself wastes time and energy. Hate scrubbing sticky pots after every meal? Overcooked or cold rice ruins your dinner plans. Wish you could cook more than just rice easily? Meet the Dash Mini Rice Cooker, your new kitchen hero. Compact design fits perfectly in tight spaces. One-touch operation. Just add water and ingredients. Cooks rice, quinoa, oatmeal, or pasta in under 20 minutes. Removable non-stick pot makes cleanup fast and easy. Keep warm function keeps food hot until you're ready. No more overcooked or cold meals, ever. Perfect for dorms, apartments, or RVs. Includes mixing paddle, measuring cup, and recipe guide. Experiment with soups, stews, and more. Minimal effort for maximum flavor and convenience. Set it and forget it. Meals are ready in minutes. No more guessing. Precise grain-to-water ratios included. Healthy meals without the hassle or mess. Saves precious counter space and time. Ideal for singles, students, and busy professionals. Stylish aqua color brightens up any kitchen. Reliable performance with 200-watt power. Access exclusive recipes for endless meal ideas. Enjoy fresh, hot meals anytime you want. Upgrade your kitchen routine with Dash Mini Rice Cooker. Make every meal quick, easy, and delicious. Don't wait. Experience the convenience today. Number 4. Meet the Comfy. Mini Rice Cooker. Small but mighty. 4 cups cooked rice. 2 cups uncooked. Perfect for singles, couples. Portable size. Side handles. Like a lunchbox with superpowers. Fits tiny kitchens or camping bags. No Tetris skills required. 6 cooking programs. Quick rice, brown rice, oatmeal, soup, cake, stew. Yes, you heard right. This thing can bake a cake. Fast cooking. 30 minutes to deliciousness. Faster than your laundry. 24-hour delay timer. Set it, forget it, eat it later. Automatic keep warm for 24 hours. Rice stays cozy like a heated blanket. LCD touch control panel. No more button mashing confusion. Non-stick inner pot. Rice slides out smoother than your best dance move. Removable steam valve base and lid. Cleaning is basically a magic trick. Fuzzy logic technology. The rice cooker's brainy superpower. It senses moisture, adjusts temperature, like a chef with ESP. No guesswork. Just perfectly fluffy rice every single time. Works for other grains and dishes too. Oatmeal, stew, you name it. Accessories included. Measuring cup and rice spoon. No need to improvise. 1-year warranty. Because Comfy stands by its kitchen wizardry. Rice for breakfast. Soup for lunch. Cake for dessert. Ultimate versatility packed in a pint-sized powerhouse. Perfect for students, busy professionals, or anyone with a tiny kitchen. Take it camping. Your tent just got a 5-star upgrade. No more burnt rice disasters. Comfy is your culinary safety net. Easy to store, easier to clean, less time scrubbing, more time eating. Touch panel so simple, even your pet goldfish could use it. Cook, eat, repeat. Comfy keeps up with your appetite. Why settle for boring rice when you can have options? Comfy Mini Rice Cooker. Small size, big flavor, zero hassle. Ready for perfectly cooked meals? Your countertop awaits. Number 5. Tired of overcooked or undercooked rice every night? Struggling to get perfect rice with pots and pans? Rice sticking, burning, and messy cleanups frustrate you? Busy evenings make dinner prep feel overwhelming. Wish you had an easier way to make rice? Meet the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker steamer. Compact, efficient, and designed for modern kitchens. Just add rice, water, and push one simple switch. No guesswork, no complicated settings or timers needed. See-through glass lid lets you monitor cooking easily. Stay cool knob and handles keep your hands safe. Non-stick inner pan means quick, easy cleanup. Includes a measuring cup for perfect portions every time. Serving spatula makes plating effortless and neat. Cook up to 3 cups. Ideal for singles or small families. Keeps rice warm for up to 5 hours after cooking. No more cold, clumpy leftovers at dinner time. Before, stress, mess, inconsistent rice every meal. After, fluffy, delicious rice with zero hassle. Before, scrubbing burnt pots, wasting time cleaning. After, quick wipe, done, ready for your next meal. Before, guessing measurements, risking wasted rice. After, accurate portions, no waste, every single time. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or busy professionals. Minimalist design fits any kitchen style or space. Reliable results. Just set it and let it work. Enjoy more time for yourself, less time cooking. Ready for stress-free rice every day? Choose Zojirushi. Make dinner easier, smarter, better. Click now to upgrade your kitchen with Zojirushi. Say goodbye to rice disasters, hello to perfect meals,